connected quick and works great. Was very surprised. Awesome bang for your buck. For this price you can't beat it. I am using some really cheap $10 Marine speakers with it and powers them nicely. I'm using it on a street legal dune buggy that's pretty loud and have to turn it down some. This really is a terrific product. They are plenty loud and don't take a lot of power to run. The Bluetooth feature is fantastic. Here are a few images of them installed in my little 12-foot Dirty Sun Dolphin boat. Well worth the money and love this product. Speakers are amazing. Very easy to install. I was working on a project with a ammo box. I stuck these bad boys in and connected to the battery. They sound really good for the price you pay. Bluetooth works great. Thank you. With a $50 price tag, they are just what this broke boater was looking for. I can hear the two speakers over my 57 two-stroke engine, and it's loud. Easy setup, just run to a battery harness. A few feet of speaker wire and a fuse are included. You will need extra wire for power. Great value for price. Some reviews have said poor quality, but I can tell you that this thing survived 6 float trips this summer. I made myself a speaker cooler and these dealt with sand, the beach, rain, dirt, and floating down the river in a tube. The waterproof speakers and head unit can take a beating. The sound is perfect for a tailgate, party with friends, or just jamming out by the pool. Bought this about 4 months ago and still going strong. Looks great, sounds great. My fishing buddies want me to install theirs.